Ang sa sweets, di ba? Matangag candle.
Loving wonderful time.
No, di ko kabalo anak lu.
Kuya Ray the Crowd at ako ang makakasama ni for the whole birthday celebration ni Baby Abigail. Kaya naman everyone, may natin patatagalin pa. Happy birthday ka! Ay, dito tayo! Don't be scared! Okay, the birthday family! Palakpak naman dyan! Okay, good. Okay, dito tayo pasok. Akit ka dito, ate. Once again, please, and everyone, before we start for any celebration, let's start for our opening prayer first. Okay? Lahat na. To you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Okay, sabay-sabay everyone. 1, 2, 3, go. Happy birthday to you. Cha-cha-cha. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday. Ay, nakapalakpak naman dyan sa birthday girl. Together with Kuya at akin. One big circle. Holding hands. Okay, can stay here. Kuya, dito ka Kuya. Kuya, you can join up here. One big circle. Ayan. Okay, ate dito tayo. Okay, good. Okay, get ready. Ang unang makita ni Kuya, koy. Out lahat. Okay, listen ha, you have to listen only. Okay, ready, final round. Okay, ready, and koy. Oh, out, bye-bye, sit down. Okay, go. We have our 6 players ready, and koy lang Kuya, out, sit down, tayo koy. Okay, go. Koy, oh, out, sit down. Out na. Okay, 4 na lang. Okay, get ready, and koy. Out. Okay, bilis ha. Tatlo na lang. Koy. Out, dalawa. Sit down. We have our winner. Palakpak naman dyan for ate. Number 2. Ang usapan po natin ay unang pumalakpak ay group number 2. Okay, go ready. Nandito ba? Okay, si L. B, okay. Okay, go. Yan. Okay, 1 and 1 point. Okay, 1 and okay, let's do it. Ang nickname of our group. Yan. You make it longer and louder. Okay, you have to dance. Nick. Okay, Kuya Nick. Okay, you have to say, Happy birthday, Mogo. Make it longer and louder. Okay, the first two, the Happy birthday, Mogo. 1, 2, 3, go. Kuya. What is your name? Zach. Okay, Kuya Zach, you have to beat 16 count. Ayan. Okay, go. Ready na si Kuya Zach? Yes or no? Number 2, dali sa pika. Okay. Number 1, dali number 1. Okay, number 2, dali sa pika. Ma'am, linya ma'am. Linya o linya. Ay, ka na lang. Okay, very good. Ang game na to, once again, hi! Hello! Okay, group number 1 and number 2. Ang game na to ay tinatawag po ito na dance contest. Ay, perfect! Dance contest. Joke lang ma'am. Okay, joke lang ma'am. Okay, go. Ito ay simple lang po. Okay, dahil si Baby Abby, okay, ay bago natin simulan at bago sabihin ni Kuya Clown ang game natin, okay, kinsa ang leader diri na side? Leader. Si Uncle daw ang leader. Ang leader diri, si ma'am. Okay, go. Call, unsay pangalan sa inyong grupo, Call? Tangan natin pangalan. Say pangalan sa inyong grupo. Ram. Okay, Ram.
Tanduay Ram.
Rambutan. Team Ram, okay. Anong pangalan ng grupo niyo po, ma'am? May Ram. Oh, naapoy RH dali sa pikas. Mga hubog, ditag sa yun. Okay, group number 1, number 2. Okay, ang game natin ay tinatawag po ito na okay, go. Nursery rhyme game. Okay, dahil si English, balsanay kanta, balwal balikon ang nakanta na. Balsanay kanta, pero grupo mo kanta, ma'am. Grupo mo kanta na. Okay, mukanta diri og English nursery rhyme, mobalos diri sa pikas, mukanta diri, mobalos sa pikas, bawal balikon ang nakanta na.
Pagsabot na mo nursery rhyme sa kanta, Coco Melon.
Okay, race to 3 ang game. Unang maka 3 points magiging winner. Unang maka 2 points magiging winner. Okay, first category, ma'am, English tanan. Okay, first category, English tanan. Kahit na konti lang po nga, kahit na konti lang. Okay, I'll give you 10 counts. Meeting sa mo, ma'am. Go! Yes po, English muna, round 1 na. Okay, English tanan ha, bawal balikon ang nakanta, ma'am. Mas daghan mo maisip. Mas maganda. Okay, dapat marami kayong maisip na mga English nursery rhyme.
Kuya Clown. Bye-bye.
Okay, good. Ready? Okay, 10 counts lang atong meeting natin.
Nice.
Isip na muna. English nursery rhyme.
Ala, nagpalaban sila sa mga bata.
Okay, ready? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, sing! Go!
Rain, rain, go away, come
Rain, rain, go away, go!
Ala.
Continue